Right, morning boys and girls. As you know, this is the winter project starting in the summer, and we've managed to do the near side wheel arch. Got rid of all the old bitumen with a heat gun, and I can see quite clearly now where there's been some ancient repair work, and whoever's welded it up has actually welded it all the way around, but they just haven't ground the welds down. So that all this is really solid, good metal. But yeah, that'll tidy up, and I'll be leaving that just exactly as it is, because that's an old. It's probably done with a stick welder anyway. That's an old repair. As we move around the wheel arch, you can see the wheel arch is pretty good. It's still got some paint on it. They've got this goldy colour paint. And even in the top corners there, all that panel there, this panel here usually corrodes, so that's good. It's had a repair here. Again, somebody's welded it up and they've made a good job of welding it, but they just haven't ground the welds down. Again, I'll be leaving that. I'll just be tidying it up, and if it needs, well, I won't be doing it, but if my man needs to tidy it up and add a little bit of weld to it, but that'll be ground down as well. The whole area will then be treated with rust proofer, and then it'll be stone chipped, which is the modern alternative, I think, to the old bitumen underseal. That's the top of the wheel arch. It's had a repair up there again. I think that's been brazed in, that little weld, but it's right at the very top. It doesn't seem to show any more signs of corrosion, so that will probably just get sanded down and smoothed off, and if it needs a bit of attention later, that'll get done as well. The main cause of concern, where it's had a previous weld, and obviously I don't think it's been done by the same person. You can see that's had a weld down there. Again, I think my welding would be better than that. Having said that, it's solid, and here obviously they could have carried the panel down, but I'll be replacing the whole of that area. I'll be replacing from here, this whole area, from here down here and along here. That'll all be cut out and welded. The actual sill and inner sill is all good. This sill, apart from that little bit there what I've just bent out, is good. Behind here is all good. Behind here is all good. Behind here is all good. So that can be rust treated, and that can be attended to before we put it in. Now, it was mentioned about again, this is all good down here. It's had a repair down here, and to be fair, that panel looks okay. I'll just get my man to probably tack that down, and then stone chip it. It's had a repair where it was mentioned about the door pillars. Now, the door pillars are solid all the way down. This door pillar's solid. It's had a repair done here, and again, it's been brazed in. But the door post and everything itself is all solid. That needs a little bit of tidying up, probably with a little bit of sanding down. And again, my man will tidy that up. But all in all, this part of the sill and all this part is all good. And so yeah, although it's a little bit worse than I thought it may be, it has been repaired in the past, and that can be fixed. It's not shockingly unrepairable. So I'll let my man have a look at that and see what he's going to cut out, and etc, etc. This part of the floor's all good, although it doesn't look it at the moment. That'll cut back, and this new piece will be welded in. So yeah, that's where we are today. So everything else has gone well. As you can see, new flexi pipes, new shock hubs. They've been on some time because they've got a bit of rust, but I don't think the vehicle's been used. It's got new springs, it's got new backing plates, it's got new discs that have just rusted. You can see those discs, they've never been used. New pads, new cylinders, again they've just got showing signs of rust. It's got new wishbone, new suspension pans, all new bolts, new drop links, everything. It's all been replaced. So yeah, I've got a very good base to start on. So thanks for watching. If you're liking the channel, just subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you're liking the videos. Yeah, if you've got any comments, just let me know about them, something that I should be aware of. It's nice to get some good advice. So thanks for watching. Bye.